on the road again, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I just got off work and we are going to see Alex. Yo. I'm just showing off your newest friend.
Barry McCockner.
Barry McCockner?
Barry McCockner there. 360 no scope. Here's the fucking chomp for sort of cracks. That's about 2.5 hours worth of work, I would say.
Yeah, but you're just cutting everything out. It's nice.
Yeah.
That's cool. Moon eyes.
Yeah, I know.
Never mind. This thing's gotta go.
The boat anchor, 18RC truck motor.
Yeah.
That oil cap's sick, though. I'm keeping that oil cap for sure.
What's it say on it?
TEQ. It's the old school type of logo.
Rocker delete. Pre-rusted rockers.
Yep.
Did a
extensions for the bottom of the.
Your nice lowering kit.
Yeah, lowering kit. That's pretty cool.
Mark 1s.
MK1s. Yeah.
Oh, these ones look like they're like fresh.
Yeah.
Front ones. I think this car's the reason why I ended up buying that RB.
Really?
Yeah, because it sounds so
I had
good.
nothing but problems with it.
But it sounds so good.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I think I might paint mine black again. I don't know. Oh yeah, that looks cool.
Super dark, but whatever.
You must use some black, right?
I used yeah.
I'll hold the flashlight for you, Dad.
Well, don't shine into my fucking eyes, kid. Jesus.
What are we looking for?
The fucking taillights.
I think you should give me that bumper.
Or they could get damaged easily. And now they're not here. Here, because I put them in the furthest down box possible. Hopefully they're not fucked up. Yeah, sick.
Got a little rat's nest,
Yeah.
but that's
A
alright.
little mouse nest in there. Those are sick.
Wait, what? Oh, no gap in the middle.
There's, yeah, it's all in one panel.
Sick.
There's,
Old man did not steal. Yeah, those would be sick. Got the
delicious.
They're dancing.
I know. Gonna get on the floor.
Alright, it's cooking.
Overhand?
The curve. The curve. Getting some nachos. Getting some nachos. Yes, fine. What the fuck? How the fuck? What the fuck, man?
Yep.
And that's everything.
Okay. Bro is fucking laid the frig out. He's about to sauce on some of these crispy new Puma socks.
Check out the sock spread.
That's fully, he's flushed up with socks, bro. Wow, man, those go on so good. What the
Fresh
fuck,
socks.
bro?
Rate the socks on a scale of 1 to 10. In the shop, what do we got going on today?
I'm going to make this car rollable, roll it back to where the blower roll is so I can fit the welder in through here. And I'm gonna do rocker panels on it. It doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
Like I had fucking gas in my 86 tank.
Just water though.
Fucking
Lay under it.
pretty close to it.
Step 1, prep your surface.
Yes. Perfect. It is literally fucking perfect.
Bang on.
Yeah, that's what I'm feeling. My babies. Where I got a weld too is fucking spot on. Almost as if I did this before.
Sick.
So I'm just gonna drill people. I'm gonna drill holes all the way across here. Plug weld it to this, plug weld it to down here. Probably add some extra welds. Obviously I'm gonna fucking weld this out mostly, weld it to the anything that has any structure to it.
And then you got a new rocker.
Yeah.
Just like
And
that.
I gotta cut the bottom of this quarter panel out because it's full of Bondo. I have extensions over there. And I'm gonna once this is cut out, I'm gonna rebuild in behind here. The front's still gonna be done, but just the main area. If you got a can of spray foam handy, it usually works better. And it is like slightly easier. And that's how you deal with burn through too. If you pop a hole in it, you just move the gun in further and let it build up and then get it in and melt it in.
Just like that.
Solid. Okay, so what I just said for y'all is everybody always says that you need gas MIG to do like sheet metal work, and it's total bullshit because when you're working on anything that has like any rust on it whatsoever, flux score is way less picky and you don't need gas, so you have like full manipulation of how much heat you're putting into it. Like if you're in close like this, it's gonna burn like crazy, but you can come way back here and kind of like spot on little bits and then get in close, melt it in. Like it's way better once you learn how to use it properly.
Full penetration.
Well, here, I'll blow a hole on purpose and then get in, see what we're dealing with, and then I'll show how to fix it.
All right.
Okay. So zoom in on that. Right here is not a hole yet, but it just was a second ago.
It's blowing through right there.
Yeah, it blows through right there, or it's like paper, beyond paper thin right there. So I'm gonna just show you how to fucking fix. Your fine tuning is like with your stick out. So if you want to like burn in, you get in close, like real, like barely just like millimeters off where you're welding, And then if you get a hole, you back it up and you kind of like build up some filler metal, and then you get back in close and then melt it in.
So you burn the hole and now you're gonna back off of it.
Yeah. So there's the hole. Just from that. There's some filler metal and melt it in. Keep going. There you go.
So you back off, build it up, and then you get a little closer, melt it in.
Yeah, easy.
Easy.
Peasy.
Even I'm learning lessons today.
Yeah. Well, it's just cheap. Like you can 030 flux core is like the same price as hardwire MIG, and then you still gotta get gas, and you're burning through grass like crazy.
I have
replacing bottles. So
and my welder's a $300 welder.
Yeah, and they're all
Super
gonna do the same job.
And it worked on my fuel cell.
Yep. I probably could have put a patch there before. I didn't realize it was that thin, but I'm gonna still fix that.
So that's the before.
Same technique. It's gonna be a lot more challenging.
Yeah, we'll see the after.
Okay, so most people would have threw their whole car away if they saw a fucking hole like that when they're starting to weld on it. And that literally took me about 7-8 seconds.
Yeah,
and it's like I can grind that flush, and it's just as good as
full
everyone
penetration.
else. It's just as good as every other spot in this fucking camera, because it's like sheet metal. It doesn't need to be fucking a 1/4 inch thick. It's just sheet metal. So when you have a gap like this is all supposed to be flat. It's very easy. Just tack on both sides of the bump. And then hit it with a hammer, ball peen. Nice and tight.
Zero gap.
Easy to weld.
Easy as that.
There we go.
Sick. Whatever step we're on. What are we doing now?
Spot welding. I'm gonna prep this. I'm gonna drill holes across the top. I'm gonna grind this surface here, and then I'm gonna place grip or clamp next to each weld, weld it across. Do the same thing at the bottom. Do these welds, and then it's on there.
Use the nice finesse. Self-etching primer sprayed.
Just a
Panel prep.
Just a dusting. Okay.
Fits pretty well.
Nice and deep, bud.
Nice and deep.
That's it now, boy. Get in there nice and deep.
Yeah, that's a fucking good setting for that.
That's
Alright, so we're just doing this upper pinch weld here. As you can see, I turned the welder up a little bit just to help it really melt in. So all you're gonna do is just clamp it down tight. I'm gonna go just a touch, just a little, give us a little bit more in the weld. Just keep it tight, and then obviously you're not gonna see shit here. Red bucket.
just like that.
This hot spot weld, that's not coming out.
That's not going
That
anywhere.
ain't going anywhere.
Just have the children be here.
The children?
Just come have a look at what's going on here.
Take them to class here?
Yeah, so this here strip is the one I just welded in the back. And I just want you guys to see this. And just know that I didn't fucking measure a goddamn thing, and I did
Eyeball
everything by
everything.
eye.
And it's fucking perfect.
Fucking perfect.
It's literally spot on, buddy.
Oh, too hot. There you go.
There you go.
Ish.
So 1 hour later, it's got a new rocker panel.
Yeah, inner rocker patch, outer rocker panel prepped.
The only thing I didn't film was cutting the old one out, but
Yeah, that literally took me to fucking 3 minutes per side.
yeah. Cut it out, looks like that, clean that up, put this on, and then put the rocker panel on top. Easy. Obviously it's way better when you have a cut out fucking rocker panel, but
Yeah.
still you can make that
Well,
out of
you
sheet
gotta-
metal.
Yeah. You basically either gotta buy pre-made rocker panels or have them bent up in a sheet metal shop. Just make a template out of like a piece of thin fucking sheet or welding wire. Just give them a bend template. There you go.
Easy. But time to go to the gym.
More Silica adventures to come.
And
Watch out for that
water. And more fucking other shit too. I'll bring my 240 and we'll paint it again
Oh yeah.
at some point. So I don't know if I want to do a color or if I want to do black. Alex wants me to do black again. Sick. But if you guys have any suggestions, comment below. As I'm open to them. Say it again.
I'm gonna bench I think like 800 today.
800.
Yeah.
Sick. Sick, bro.
Use this brick in here. Jump the curb.
Getting some fucking Chinese food before we both depart.
Yes, sir. Where is it? Oh, it's up there.
China Star. China Star.
Hit that board. Shit.
Perfect.
Shit.
There we go.
Digging.
Digging in.
Yes, bye.
That's all, folks. Till next time.
Yep.
Like, comment, subscribe.